Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by verifying hardware. You want to ensure the headset itself works and the Xbox controller/headset port is clean. Plug the headset into another device to confirm audio. Next, remove and reinsert the headset firmly into the controller. Listen for the click. Once done, power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then repair. This clears temporary glitches. If using an adapter, detach and reattach it. Loose connections cause most problems. Now focus on software. Go to Settings and choose Devices and Connections to access controller and audio options. You need to set headset audio to the correct mode. Stereo for game sound, headset chat for voice priority, so make sure it matches your intent. Then adjust volume, mic monitoring, and chat mixer to balance game and party audio. If you change settings, sign out and back in, or unplug, and replug the headset to force the console to reinitialize the audio path. Finish with firmware and isolation steps. Make sure your Xbox and controller are fully updated. Updates often fix headset routing bugs. If sound still won't go through, swap controllers or try another headset to determine whether the controller jack is faulty. If a temporary profile conflict persists, remove and re-add your account. Finally, only reset audio settings to defaults if earlier steps failed. This clears custom balances. If problems remain, clean contacts gently and contact support for hardware repair options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.